Hi, welcome to My Cartoons with Jock. Today we're going to draw lavender. So get your marker and follow along with me. So as usual, I'm going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to draw big, beautiful eyes right here. Make it nice and round. There we go. Good. Like this. And then we have an iris right there. And on this side we're going to draw another beautiful big eyes. There we go. Here's another eye. And then again. There we go, and there's the iris. And then we're going to draw a nice big pupil. 1, 2. And then we're going to draw the right light reflections in there as well. Great. There we go. 2 light reflections. And right between the eyes, I want to draw a little nose, and just beneath that a smile, and we're going to draw the top lip. We're going to draw maybe the teeth and maybe the lower lip, and there we go, and there's a smile as well. Now I'm going to draw the jawline roughly around here. Yeah, and I'm taking it nice and slowly. Try to make it as perfect as a line as I can. And now right on top here I'm going to start with the hair. Maybe there's a piece of hair coming down like this, and then we can continue like this, and maybe another piece of hair, maybe another one, and perhaps another piece of hair there as well. Now from this side I want to draw the eyelashes. So there we go, there's one eyelash, and on this side I'm just going to draw another eyelash, and it's going to disappear behind the hair as well. And now for the top of the head. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw curvy lines on top, and on this side I'm just going to draw another line like this, and I'm going to bring it back, so this is going to be another piece of hair standing like that. And on top of that, there we go, an eyebrow. Now I'm going to draw a little bow in her hair. So I'm going to start here, I'm going to go all the way around, and bring it down, bring it all the way around, and maybe connect it. And let's continue with the bow, and maybe the back side of the bow. There we go. Great. And now I want to draw hair here as well. So let's draw a piece of hair going down. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. Perfect. And now on top there's sort of this band just above her hairline. Let's draw something here as well, maybe like that. Good. And then on top we're going to draw a hat. There we go, like this. And I'm just going to stop right there, and on this side maybe the hat will continue something like this, and then I'm going to draw, maybe this band can go all the way around and maybe to there. Perfect. And now we're going to draw some hair again, a piece of hair there, and on this side I'll draw another piece of hair. Great. And there's a little band that ties her hair into a pony, and there's another one as well. Great. And now we're going to start with the body. So I'm going to draw the little neck, and there we go. There's the neck, the shirt, maybe a sleeve there, and I'll draw another sleeve there. And now I want to draw the body. So I'm first going to draw something like this. 2 hooks. It looks like a hook, and maybe just a little fold there on top, and then you're going to take it all the way around like this. And that's the torso area. And 2 bows. Maybe let's draw a bow here, and we can draw a bow there, and I'm going to do the same thing, a bow. There we go, and another one there as well. Perfect. And now for the dress. I'm just going to make 2 curvy lines for the sides of a dress, and then we're going to connect it with maybe a wavy line, a nice wave for a dress. And let's make a wave just on top of the lower wave to give it some texture, and there's a few spots on the dress as well, so I'll quickly draw some spots here. There we go, and there's another spot, and maybe another spot right there. Now I'm going to draw the arms first, so I'll do the inside of the arm. I find it always easier to do the inside, and I'll do the inside one here as well. And then I'm going to draw the line, so it's going to become a little bit thinner, her arm, as it goes to the bottom, and this side as well, a little bit thinner. And now that we have a body, we can draw her ponytails. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a line like this. Good, and maybe a line like that, and maybe behind, because this ponytail is behind her arm. And then we're going to draw sort of a similar one, something like this, and yet again another one there. And maybe we can draw a little fold there, so it looks like her hair is twirling down. Now on this side we're going to do the same thing, same line, maybe a little twirly line there, and the hair will go into the back of her arm, and we're going to do the same thing here as well. There we go, and there's another one. Good. And now we can draw her legs, so I'm just going to draw 2 straight lines down from thick to thinner. Let's do the same on this side as well, thick to thinner. And we're going to draw little stripes on her leg. There we go. That's maybe enough. And on this side I'm going to draw stripes again. You can draw as many stripes as you want, they don't have to be perfect. Next I'm going to draw a shoelace first, so I'm just going to draw a little knot, and then I'll draw a shoelace like that. And on this side I'll do the same thing, a little knot, and let's draw the shoelace as well, and the little laces hanging down. Maybe there's 2 hanging down like this. Let's do the same on the other side, a knot, you draw the shoelace, there we go, the bow of it, yeah, and there's the other one, good, and then the lace itself hanging down, and maybe on this side another lace hanging down. And now for a foot, so first the lip of the shoe, I'll draw it, and then the sides of the shoe like this, almost like a face and 2 ears. There we go, and a little side there, and a little side there as well. And now I'm going to draw the foot, so I'm going to bring it out, give it sort of a flat surface, and take it back up, and it will go behind. And then maybe just the toe area, and there we go, good. Something like that. There is one shoe, so make it round, a flat area on the foot like this, and then the toe, and something like this, and there we go, great. And there is lavender. I think lavender looks absolutely beautiful. What do you think? So now you can take your markers, your crayons, or your colored pencils, and you can color lavender in, and I'm sure she's going to look absolutely beautiful. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. See you next time.